through on Saturday. It'll take some valley rain and flip it over to snow.
For only
we'll continue to see snowfall into the day on Sunday.
A savings of $369 a year.
Whether you need a $500,000 policy or a $5 million policy, Select Quote could save you.
It makes our live stream super easy.
Plus, our talk shows are...
565. That's one.
Flip it over to snow. We'll continue to see snowfall into the day on Sunday. It makes our lives.
Hotline for you to call to learn what debt reduction.
Next level at ahn.org/sportsmed.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. Operational area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.